Anyways, guys, we're here at Five Below, and we're here doing some Christmas shopping because my kids are gonna be taking some stuff to their friends. So I don't even know if these videos are even gonna be that long anyways, or if you guys are even gonna be able to hear me because they are playing some music. But they have a lot of cute stuff in here, for real, you guys. They have so much Christmas stuff. Let me show you guys. Look, this is all the Christmas stuff. They have Christmas socks. They're cozy. They have some hats in here. They got more hats. Look, this is from Christmas Vacation. They got the elf. This is pretty. And they are only $5. This is an elf hat. There's Snoopy. And look at the socks. Here's some PJ sets. There's the stockings. This is a tree skirt. But I already have some, so I don't need it. Here's more stuff. And they have some Christmas light. I actually ran out of my Christmas lights, which is sad. I don't know if I'm gonna get another one though. Here's some PJs. Look, they got some cozy slippers. These are only $5. Here's another one. And these right here are 10. Now, if you're all into the Christmas tags, they got some in here for $1.25. Or they have these stickers ones with 100 sheets in it. Look at their mugs. And by the way, it looks like they have 50% off right now. So I don't know when you guys gonna see this. Look what they got making here. Oh, look at this Krabby Patty. This is huge. Have you seen this one?
Yes, I've got it for you.
Oh, you got one? Está grande. That's fun. Get the coffee mugs. The Big Ferrero. Oh my god, I'm craving for some chocolate. And those are $5. Look, they have some hot cocoa ball. This is a 4-pack. Here's another one. This is hot chocolate bombs. Okay, Emily? Yeah. Oh yeah, go ahead and grab it. Okay. Bueno. So like I was mentioning, they have some hot chocolate bombs in here. Centavos. Wow. Mira, me dio centavos mi husband. ¿Qué voy a comprar con eso? Nada. Look, they have a caramel hot chocolate, peppermint hot chocolate. I'm not a fan of the salted caramel one. Here's a Dunkin' hot chocolate bomb. We need to have this. Oh look, they have another one in here. This one's spicy, but this is a Dunkaccino one. I wonder if it tastes good. Look at the mugs. Here's the elf on the shelf hot cocoa gift set, and then they have the Rugrats in here. Well, not the Rugrats, but the Nickelodeon characters in there, and it includes a candy stir on this one and on this one from Mickey Mouse. This one's pretty. It will actually match. If I get this, it's gonna be matching my sweater. By the way, I'm wearing Mickey and all red, so that would be nice. I don't know. Let's see. Might take it. I think I'm gonna take it. Yeah, I must have this for sure. Este es un de para el hot chocolate, es el bomb, hot chocolate bomb thing. Y luego este es el mug.
The Mickey?
Yeah, and I was letting them know que tengo el suéterito de Mickey Mouse.
Oh yeah.
Show them.
Yeah. Look, this is a Mickey.
Yeah.
And then hold the mug.
Así le va. Cada vez que me lancen las máquinas.
That's a full match. No, turn it
Ay,
around.
al revés.
Yeah, that's a full match right there.
Nomás encontré Mickey y creí que estaba el set de los two. Unless it's here. No, nada más es Mickey Mouse. And they also have the miniature candy.
Yeah.
The Mickey Mouse. I love Mickey Mouse, guys. Anyway, we're gonna continue scrolling around. No scrolling, pero browsing around the store a ver qué más encontramos. ¿Estás ahí?
Okay, so
Can
what
I
I'm
show
having,
them? Can you tell me what you're
can I
I
just
got
gift bags and candy.
You're taking this balloon?
Yes.
so this is my stuff. Oh my god. Something happened. Well, I got this and then I got a bag. And then I have nail set and I have
Nomás eso es lo que
and I
anhelo.
have a slime liquor.
¿Eh? Oh.
I have slime liquor.
Tienen muchas cosas. Gonna be craving. Anyways. Mira, tienen dog stuff. Aquí están las cosas para Coco. For Coco. Oh, Mira. Little puppy. So it can be matching. Mira, este tiene ya como una little blanket aquí. Más clothes. Mira este. You gonna get him then? Doesn't he already have one? Este, mira. Tiene hat. Uno que está bonito. Este ya viene pegado con la hat. Y este es red. Ese de ahí es different, mira. El de acá atrás. All their Hello Kitty stuff. Oh, the shirts are pretty. ¿Qué es un ornament?
Spider-Man ornament.
Está bonito.
Looks cute.
¿Y qué? ¿Dónde lo vas a poner en el árbol o qué?
Yeah. I love Spider-Man.
¿Y qué más encontraste?
There's more holiday stuff.
Lo que necesitamos son new lashes. Yeah. Anyways, they even sell cosmetic stuff here at Five Below. And I was looking for some lashes, pero... Y lo demás están como bien delgaditas and I don't like them like that. Así, like, I don't like this type of lashes. But the nails are pretty. And they're $4. Oh, mira, aquí están unas. But they're kind of thin. They're kind of thin, so I don't know. Look, here's some more lashes. I've never tried this one. Here's a makeup brush cleaning mat for $3.25. This is always good because they got the grip on the back and you can just clean it in the sink. For your bathroom, the sponges. Uy, esos están bonitos.
Found this one. Look at this.
That's nice. Pero mira la abuelita.
Not the abuelita.
I know it's not la abuelita, it's Mrs. Claus. No,
Nicolette.
wait, it's Nicolette? Nicolette.
Is that her actual name?
This is Nick.
Look at this gnome.
El penguin está pretty. This one.
I got it. Okay.
They have so much plushies. Just so you know, this might be a little expensive.
Where did you get the Mickey Mouse
I
one?
bought it for Mia because she loves Disneyland.
You want another one? There's another one.
They have Mickey.
Oh, you can get Mickey.
Oh, here's a small Mickey.
There's Mickey and Minnie.
Oh, yeah.
They're
just a
$5.
Mickey.
There's Mickey right there.
You just want Minnie. We are finally leaving Five Below, so you probably already saw everything that we got. Anyways, waiting for everybody to get out. Anyways, ¿qué agarraron todos? ¿Se agarraron todo?
I got pajamas.
Pajamas. Anyways, guys, since we already left the store, we're gonna go down to Starbucks and grab ourselves some coffee because it is cold right now. So we're heading over there, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. But guys, we're here at Starbucks. We already got ourselves some drinks, like I said. We were gonna get some drinks. So we got the caramel ribbon crunch frappuccino, and we're also waiting for other drinks as well. So this is for my son, anyways, you even asked for a cold one too? Yeah. Pero está frío para?
I know, but I still want a cold.
Should grab a warm one, please?
Like a drink carrier, right?
Yeah. Estamos esperando aquí. It's so calm.
Wait, were there 2 of those? No, 3 of those. One of them was a grande? Or were...
It was
the caramel
two.
crunch?
This one?
You asked for one too, right?
I saw a sticker come out, but I thought it was just that reprinted. But
Uh-huh.
it came...
No, it's two of them.
There were 2
Yeah.
empties. But still make it as a latte. Gotcha.
Estamos aquí esperando, Ira. Todos en silencio. And we also got the water too. Look, she's almost the same height as me. It's me. Thank you.
And here's your other 2 drinks.
Okay.
Thanks.
Faltan otros más. Voy a le pongo esto, se me van a tirar. Anyways. So far, these are all the drinks for right now. We're still waiting for another one of this. And then, I think that should be it, right? Yeah, so we're waiting for another one of the caramel ribbon frappuccino. And this, what happened? Alright, you guys, so we just made it back home, and we already have all of the stuff that we bought from Five Below. And let me show you what my kids are. So they're emptying the bags right now, and we already have these cookies, butter cookies open, so we can drink it with the Starbucks that we got today. And look, here's the Mickey mug that I was showing you. And we got this Tsum Tsum Mickey for Coco, so he can be matching with us. So this is gonna be his plushie. I'm gonna give it to him. Mira lo que te compramos. Coco, ven. Ten. Ten. No lo quiere. Prefiere la galleta. Anyways, quick mini haul. They already set up their stuff and put them away. So we already opened this one. And this is the gift bowls of 40 counts inside, which comes with a lot of different ribbons in here. Look. And they have a different designs, which I thought it was really nice. This one right here has like Christmas lights in it. And then there's a couple few in here. Oh, like this one. I really like this one right here. This bow. It's got the Santa Claus belt in it, which is pretty in red. And then I think I already showed you this. So I already went ahead and opened this one right here, which included the Nestle hot chocolate in here. And also this mint. We spent $131. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's how much we spent.
kind of expensive. But anyways, also got this gift tissue for $5, and look, it's really nice. There's 100 sheets in here for $5, which I think it was good that we got these, because I'm gonna be needing that once I start like wrapping all their gifts for Christmas. And I think I already showed you guys this. We got this cute little Mickey Mouse Tsum Tsum. We got this one for Coco, and apparently when I was giving it to him, he avoided me because he wanted the cookie that my husband was giving him, so he kind of like forgot about it and doesn't care about the plushie right now. But once it's time for him to sleep, he'll probably get it back. So I'm just gonna hold it here with me. And then we did grab 2 boxes of cookies, which are kind of gone, but there's like an extra layer on the bottom, so there's like more down here. Ahí están otros más. So that's that. And then my daughter is doing a Secret Santa, so that's why we were at the store, because they were buying and picking stuff for their friends. So she's gonna be giving this away, which is also cute because there's a puppy in there, and her paper wrapping is the Christmas lights. And she also got some cosmetic things for herself, which is also nice. So she got a lot of things. She also got this one right here and a couple other few things, so she'll probably put those on later on. And that is it for right now. That I just wanted to share with you guys like some of the things that we got, even though there were some stuff missing because they already have put them away because they wrapped them. So I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a big like, and also consider subscribing to my channel if you guys haven't done so. And also let me know, what will you be doing for Christmas this year? Leave it down in the comments down below and let me know what you guys are gonna be doing for Christmas. And I don't know, I'll be seeing you guys really soon for our next video. Bye guys.